Hello, my name is Rachel Navude. I'm just here to bring you an update of what we've been up to in East London, Bendo here in Luganda, UK. As you know, we invited you to come and take part in our Luganda classes run by Sitegedde Foundation Luganda Virtual Academy. The classes started this month in November 2020, and the classes are going very well. We've got 2 classes running at the moment, one for the children who can read and write. So that one is running on a Sunday evening from 6 to 8. And the youth and adult classes are running on a Thursday evening from 8 to 10 o'clock. The classes are really enjoyable. The young people are learning, and we are also learning from them, and we're picking up ideas. Everyone is learning from each other. So the syllabus that we are using with this learning is Sitegedde. You know our book Sitegedde. This is the hard copy and the hardcover copy, and then the soft cover copy. This one is for £15 and this is for £20. And our promise is that we will absorb the postage and parking fees. So all our learners, if you will not need to pay for the postage and parking fees. So if you'd like to come and join us, we still have a few places left on both classes. As you know, classes must be of a certain size and is filling up very quickly. But for those of you who still want to send their children, or for the young adult who would like to come and start learning Luganda, please do get in contact with us very quickly by writing to london@bugandauk.com. So let us learn together, let us develop this program together, and we are so excited with the way things are going. So hopefully we will see you in class.